Unlocking words. Master vocabulary with context clues. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another enlightening journey in our series on reading comprehension strategies. Today, we'll be focusing on a crucial part of vocabulary development, using context clues. By the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies to help you decode unfamiliar words, making your reading experience smoother and more enjoyable. Have you ever come across a word in a book, article, or conversation that you didn't understand? I bet you have. This is where context clues come in. Context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word. These hints can be found within the same sentence or in the sentences surrounding it. Understanding how to use these clues will drastically improve your reading comprehension and vocabulary. There are mainly 4 types of context clues that writers often use. 1. Definition, explanation clues. The writer directly provides the definition or explanation of the unfamiliar word in the sentence. 2. Synonym, antonym clues. The writer gives a synonym, a word with a similar meaning, or an antonym, a word with the opposite meaning, to help the reader understand. 3. Example clues. The writer gives examples that can help the reader infer the meaning of the unfamiliar word. 4. Inference clues. The writer provides enough general information in the surrounding sentences for the reader to infer or guess the meaning of the unknown word. By identifying and understanding these types of clues, you'll be better equipped to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words. Now comes the fun part, practicing with different texts. The more varied your reading materials, the richer your vocabulary will become. Practice with novels, news articles, academic papers, and even comic strips. Each text type uses language in slightly different ways, helping you to build a diverse vocabulary. Here's how to practice. When you encounter a new word, pause and try to guess its meaning based on the context before looking it up in a dictionary. Then, compare your guess with the actual meaning. As you do this repeatedly, you'll get better at deciphering meanings using context clues. Lastly, consider keeping a vocabulary journal. Write down new words, their meanings, and the sentence you found them in. This way, you're not just passively reading, but actively engaging with the text. Over time, you'll have a personalized vocabulary resource to refer back to, helping you reinforce and remember these new words. We've come to the end of this video on using context clues for vocabulary development. Remember, the key is practice, so keep reading and exploring new texts. You're building not just vocabulary, but also comprehension skills, and the confidence to tackle any text that comes your way. Keep up the great work, and see you in our next video.